today I am one-upping myself. In a prior video that I posted about business cards and how to organize them, I suggested to categorize them by type. Like, for instance, this is home improvement or health and wellness in different categories. The problem was, for me, when I'm with a client, I want to be able to give them an extra card that a business owner has given me so that they can just have it with them, rather than show them a number or have them write down a number because I have everything digitized. I wanted to have these business cards with me. So what I did was went to Amazon to search for different options they might have for business cards. So I think I typed in something like business card organizer or something like that, and a lot of options came up. And one of them was this nice little portfolio, if you will, to hold business cards. You can see this is what they will look like when this is full. Now the only other thing that I thought of was, okay, I'm gonna have all these business cards in here. How am I going to separate them out and not have to take a bunch of cards out and move them around every time I have, say, more business cards of a different category? So what I thought to do was get these, and these will be my little separators for each category in this binder. That way, when someone is asking for a lawyer, or I don't know, do you have a recommendation for a roofer? I'll have this, and it'll have a home improvement section inside, and I can flip to it and then get an extra business card out and just hand it right to my client. So that's my solution. If you have lots of business cards, even if you don't network, but you just have a lot of business cards you want to organize and keep handy and neat and in one spot, I highly recommend this. I will put the link in the description below.